got a sunflower in the arrangement I'm going to be making today, and it just reminds me of the first time I saw a sunflower that is not yellow. I was actually shocked about it, but because I was seeing it live, I knew it's true, it's real. And it just goes to show how much we do learn at different stages of our lives. I have quite a lot of this because I bought a big bunch of it for this arrangement, and it's proving to be quite maybe too much. So I've decided I'm going to be generous with this arrangement because it's heavy, and because I'm also going to be using the sunflower. I think this could serve as a background to it, and the sunflower would have something to be able to rest on. And in addition to that, I think I will be using quite a heavy vase. This one is quite heavy, and I think it is sturdy enough to be able to withstand the mass of this plant, of this foliage, and of the sunflower. And hopefully I'm thinking I may end up with tucking in a lot of the chrysanthemum and using some of the gypsophila to support the coloring, such that it's not being overpowered. It won't be too overpowering having just a green at the background. So anyway, I'll have a go, and I'll let you see how it's looking. So this is the starting point. I formed like a background with the greenery and the foliage formed by that the greenery I've got here. And so in the middle about here I'm going to tuck in the sunflower, and this background should give it a resting point so that it will be safe and not be jiggering about. And also with the fact that having the cross arrangement of the stem, that should help to secure the sunflower and the other flower cuts that I'm going to add on to them. So this is the look I'm going for. The sunflower nesting in between the grains. So I'll show you the next stage when I've finished or decided what to put to carry on with the arrangement. So this is what I have so far. The sunflower is resting on the greenery, and I've got in front here this network provided by the gypsophila, and so I would then tuck in the different colors of the chrysanthemum. So I've got two orange. I don't know the name of this cut, but it's looking nice, I think. And this network at the bottom is really helping to secure the different cuts in place. So I'm happy about that. Now I'll proceed, think about what I'm going to do next, and show you my outcome. So this is the end result, and I think I'm going to stick to this and leave it at this. Please let me know your comments, your thoughts with regards to my process, my outcome, my choices, and how I've gone about the arrangement. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that you will subscribe to the channel and turn on your notification button so you can receive an alert when a new video is being released. And don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Maybe write a comment for me as well. Until next time, I say goodbye and God bless.